Question number 5, exercise 1A. It's book 4, 8th edition. It is given that I is equals to W, Y and J is V, W, X, Y and Z. Draw a Venn diagram to represent the sets I and J. So now I have written question over here. This is set I, W and Y, and these are the elements of set J. Now W and Y. So first of all, we have to check W is in common in both. Yes, W is common, so W is over here. Y is also present in both. So we have done set I. Now move to set J. V and W है यहाँ. We have already written X. Y we have already written Z. So we have done part 1. Now move to part 2. From the Venn diagram, list all the elements of I union J in the set notation. I union J means all the elements that are present in both sets. We have to make a set and write down all the elements. So I am writing V, W, X, Y and Z. We have done question number 5. Now move to question number 6. Here it is given that K is equals to 11, 13, 19, 21 and L is 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 20. Draw a Venn diagram to represent the set K and L. So I have written the elements K and L, elements of set K and L. This is these are 11, 13, 19 and 21 and these are the elements of set L. Now we have to check. See, 11 is not common. 13 is also not common, 19 is also not common and 21 is also not common. It means the elements of the set are not common. So they would be written, I have to write them separately, 11, 13, 19 and 21. And here I have to write 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 20. Okay. Now move to part 2. This is from the Venn diagram. List the elements of K union L in set notation. We have to write down all the elements in a single set. K union L is equals to so first of all I am writing in sequence 11, 12. I have taken 11 from here, then 12. मैं सीक्वेंस से लिख रही हूँ ताकि जो है ना इजीली आपको समझ सके. Now 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 I am taking from here, 19, 20 and 21. So we have done question number 6. Thanks for watching my video.